There is another way to patch 2 or more raster layers together. It is possible with a raster calculator. This is my ground raster layer. I prepared it in the first tutorial. I use it to proceed further. This is my small raster layer. I have to save it one more time with the big extend. Right click on the layer and click on export. Choose the right name, in my case it's big extend. Click on calculate from layer and choose your ground layer. Save and load it. Now this step is very important. Open up the properties of the layer and go to transparency. Deactivate the no data value. Now you can see the full extension of the small raster layer. Deactivate the no data value also on the prepared ground layer. Open up the raster calculator and type in an open bracket and the prepared ground raster layer, then an if statement, in my case bigger than 0, then a close bracket, multiply it by itself. After this, a plus sign and an open bracket, small patch layer, this time bigger -1 and a close bracket, multiply it by itself. Check again the extent by clicking on the ground layer and then select layer extend.